it's Lexi from Nova A, New York, and I'm going to be hosting the random vlog today. As you can see, spring has arrived, but it feels like summer. It's so nice outside, and the flowers have bloomed. Yay, cook me up some food. Yay, I just love nature. Don't you guys just love spring and summer? It's awesome, and I could take more great pictures, and I'll post them on Instagram. My Instagram is LPS_life_. I'll put it right here. Thanks. If you have an Instagram, you can follow us. Okay. Where should I go next? Oh, hey, I didn't see you up here. It's really windy out, but it's still nice out. As you can see, this video has to do with outside nature. This is where I'm going to be the whole video, outside. At the lake, fishing. Back from fishing. We didn't catch any fish, but it was really fun, and I got some awesome pictures. Does my hat look stylish? Hey look, it's a dog right behind me. Golden Retriever. It's my grandma's other dog. Cleo! Here she is. Like I said, if you like these videos, then comment below and tell me if you like the outside ones or just the random ones. This kind of